so we're gonna do this beautiful makeup look by Amaya Cologne that's been all over TikTok. Right here, I'm using my MAC Studio Radiance primer. I love this primer. I love how brightening it is, but it's also moisturizing. And I think this is the perfect base for this bright pink under eye look that I'm attempting to do. It's my first time, and honestly, y'all gonna see the results at the end. This is something that I probably am going to do more often because it was such a slay. And of course, I'm using NYX eyebrow glue. I love this because of the tint, and I don't necessarily have to use a pencil or an eyebrow pen for this. And I am using Morphe's hydration foundation. I believe this is Deep 3W. This thing is so beautiful. It makes my skin look very hydrated but not greasy, and the blend is like butter. Okay, so now this e.l.f. blush is the star of the show. This is what I'm going to use to kind of create a pink under eye for my skin tone. Y'all, I was so scared because it's my first time using it, and obviously I use their liquid blush for my cheeks as well to give it extra pink. And underneath my under eyes, I am using Smashbox Halo Concealer. It's their brightest one for my skin tone. I'll put everything in the description box because I can't remember. But I wanted to kind of make it look like concealer and not just have like a bright pink blush underneath my eyes. And I'm concealing all of the places that I normally would. And as you can see, when I'm blending it, it just looks so good, y'all. Like, I didn't expect it to blend so effortlessly. And like I said, this is something that I'm going to be doing more often because this looked too good. Now for contour, I'm using Thread Beauty's Face It Sticks. I believe I'm using their darkest shade to contour this. Y'all, please do not do this because it took me forever to blend. Make sure you're using a brush to apply it and then put it on your face, because this was not an easy thing to blend. But you know your girl, I did it and it looked really good. And I also added a little bit of powder underneath to kind of carve out my cheeks. As you can see, I'm using like a beauty blender because it was just such a harsh line and I was not a fan. I was scared, but it came together afterwards, I promise. So I added a little bit more blush and I'm setting my under eye in all the places that I concealed with Huda Beauty Easy Bake in the color Cinnamon Bun, I believe. And I'm using the Morphe palette. To bronze my face, I'm using the 8D palette, and to kind of just bring it all together, I think if I used like a pink under eye like setting powder, it would have looked so much better. But you know, you gotta use what you got, girl. It ended up looking really nice anyway. To kind of brighten up the look a little bit more, obviously, as you guys saw, I used a white eyeliner, used a basic black mascara. I'm just lining my lips here, I believe with Dose of Colors chocolate chip liner, and I'm using Merit Beauty's Maison, and I think I added NYX Tiramisu, their butter gloss on top. And yeah, that is it, you guys. This is such a cute look and I absolutely love it. And I hope you guys enjoy, and see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye.